Oh, done.
My game's freaking out. What's happening? Huh, what? The burning? I'm in the air? What?
Oh my god!
You flew. I'm falling. What?
Burning Blade's a shooting star?
I'm still falling. I'm gonna be falling for the next few minutes.
Yeah, I did. That was crazy.
What? Where am I? I'm at ancient cold fortress.
Don't let it land on you. Oh my god, here it comes.
I'm still falling. I'm so far away. Oh, it's back in the air. It's back in the air. It's round 2, baby. Let's go.
It bounced.
I'm a dolphin.
Oh, this is awesome. Oh, it's coming down again.
Oh my god, what just happened?
Here it goes.
Wait, where's...
It's coming down. Oh. Wait.
Up, round 3. See you later. All right, yeah. So, congratulations on the Burning Blade. All you gotta do now is board it. This is challenge level impossible. But I believe in you. If you time your deck shot just right, when it comes down in half an hour, you can 100% claim this Burning Blade just for yourself.
Then you too can fly through space.
It's still up there. Yep, and it's upside down. Let's go.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Almost there, and back up. There we go. Hey, it looked a little slower this time. Yep, it didn't go to the moon. This time it only went to the stratosphere.
It's losing momentum.
What's good, fellas?
What's up? Are you watching this? Are you looking up right now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's actually coming pretty close to us.
Oh, no. It's gonna go off again.
Oh. Whee!
Okay. I'm turning. Hold on, we're going over there.
It's coming down.
Okay.
Where the heck is it?
It's right in
It's
front of
coming. It's ahead of us.
Don't worry,
Close?
it's going back up. There it goes.
Okay, so it was a little more this way, I think.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Oh, a little to the right, little sail.
Right.
Well, that one's
Oh, here it comes.
gonna fall on us.
Oh my god! Oh! This is amazing.
We gotta try harpooning it, guys. When it comes down,
Yeah,
try to
harpoon it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it'll launch us with it. Okay.
Oh god, it's on top of us. Never mind. It's in front. You got it! You got it! Oh my god! What?
Oh my god.